Assalamualaikum, saya Siti Nuraisyah binti Muhammad Nazri dan partner saya Nur Musfira binti Rizwan. Saya nak terangkan pasal projek development untuk mini projek multimedia. Ini adalah projek development kami yang telah kami wujudkan pada semester ini untuk menyiapkan mini projek multimedia. Projek development ini terbahagi kepada 5 iaitu plan, development, testing, documentation and implementation. Di bawah plan pula terdapat 3 cabang iaitu project plan, planning analysis dan work program. Project plan merupakan dokumen formula yang khusus disusun untuk mengarahkan kendalian eksekusi sebuah projek. Biasanya projek bisa memastikan kesilapan para spektator sebuah bisnes menjalankan suatu projek. Oleh kerana itu, peranannya sangat penting dan sifatnya wajib untuk dibuat sebelum sesebuah projek dijalankan. Sebelum projek dimulai, manager atau projek audition harus meminta projek plan terlebih dahulu untuk mengetahui. Terdapat 12 step projek plan, antaranya define the scope of the project, create a work breakdown structure and define project activity sebelum memulakan plan. Planning analysis pula ialah the purpose of the planning stage is a analysis the project is term of work breakdown, cost, resource and timing. Strategic analysis and planning ada 5. Antaranya is strategic planning and analysis only appropriate for work organization planning. Work program is the work of development to be performed on a week respect to pace be on the land and long range transportation plan. Dalam work program terdapat planning work program. Antara planning work program ialah data collection, transportation improvement program. Development pula terbagi pada 3 cabang iaitu cabang pertama integrated design, cabang kedua system design and cabang ketiga financial modeling. Dalam integrated plan terdapat 4 tanda tanya. Antara salah satunya ialah what is the integrated program manager dan key component of integrated project. System design is the process of defining the component, modulation, interface and data for the system specific requirement. Dalam financial modeling pula terdapat 3. Antara satunya ialah model is the most basic setup for the financial model.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Nur Musfira binti Muhammad Rizwan dari kelas DOE 5C.
Saya menerangkan tentang testing, documentation dengan implementation. Testing ada 2, iaitu test design and test planning. Documentation ada 1, iaitu proses documentation. Implement ada 1, iaitu business plan. Testing. Project testing is an integral and important phase of the multimedia development process. This part of the process ensures that defects are recognized as soon as possible. Test design. The test design component addresses the need to define the number of tests to be performed, the ways that testing will be approached, phase function, and the test conditions that need to be exercised. Test design standard need to be defined and followed. Test procedure design process. First, test architecture review. Second, test procedure definition system level. Test procedure design standard. Test procedure definition development level. Manual versus automated test. The test planning stage represents the need to review long-time test planning any device. Test planning process have 10 process. 1. Review and analyze the requirement. 2. Scope the testing. 3. Design the test strategy according to the scope. 4. Identify the required tools need for testing and management. 5. Estimate the test effort and team. 6. Define test schedule. 7. Enablement plan. 8. Determine and procedure the test environment. 9. Identify test metric. 10. Create the software test plan, review and approve it. Documentation. Documenting the internal design of multimedia project for the purpose of future maintenance and enhancement is done throughout development. This may also include the wiring of an API, be it external or internal. The interactive multimedia process chosen by the developing teams will determine how much internal documentation, if any, is necessary. Plain drive model, example waterfall, generally produce more documentation than agile model. Process documentation has plan, estimates, schedules, report and metric, working papers and standard. Implementation. Implementation is the part of the process where multimedia software engineer actually design for the project. How to implement a business plan. Business proposition, management teams, marketing, staff, operation, infrastructure, finances.